Now they're here, the E-marked Schmiedmann taillights for your BMW E30. Facelift and pre-facelift. Just look at the difference with this smoked design, iconic for the 80s and 90s. The smoked design for the BMW E30 pre-facelift. What do you think? Wow, what a difference it makes here, the complete red design. Just look at it. The full red design for the pre-facelift BMW E30. Do you like it? And now the smoked design for the facelifted BMW E30. For the iconic look from the 80s and 90s. Just look how cool they are, the smoked ones here for the facelifted BMW E30. And remember, they are E-marked. Last but not least, the full red ones for the iconic 80s and 90s look on the facelifted BMW E30. Wow! E-marked red taillights. Just amazing, don't you think? Let us know your favorite in the comments below and go get it on Schmiedmann.com right now. As always, the world's lowest prices and worldwide delivery.